emerald. So let's do is super cute, is unicorn. And we're gonna draw her eyelashes later, so it doesn't matter what volume you want your unicorn. So this one, it looks like she's smiling. She can do lashes the way you want it. She can be open her eyes and be glamour, or she just wanted she will be like sassy, you know. So you can have her lashes however you want. It can be up, or so her eyes open or her eyes closed. So it doesn't matter. You pick your own unicorn. And I will need gel painting in the bottles. This is gonna be so stunning, and it's helping me so much from is gel painting. This one, I'm gonna close the leads back into my acrylic brush. Make sure you do not let it hang in there. I am going to close the cap, and with the air flows here. So my acrylic brush I've been using for months, and it's last. Look, I destroy it so much. Hold on. It must be rip off or whatever. But anyways, let's get into that. And then also important, needs one of this is 3D Dual brush. And mine is so long that it means rub off the names if you get the new ones. Is that the Glitz Dual. But I have ones for the shows. So I'm going. And then I have ones at home. So I need ones like little stones. Where the stone palettes? Oh, so just keep you posted. Stay really tuned. We'll keep updating so many new products as is always make it to the web. And there are like 1,000 different stones that Glitz selects so beautiful. So then you can use it for your 40s, for gel painting, and for even like taking picture of your nails and anything you want. Stay tuned for that. We promise whenever it arrives, we're not holding it back. We'll like release it all for ours is clients, so then you can able to get a hands on it. So I'm gonna using these 3 colors, and at first gonna making a little cute little crowds here. So simple. You can make three beads. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to get the pink first. So I'm gonna get the pink beads a little bit bigger than yellow beads, and it's really cool because it's super easy to do. Just roll it. Oh no, I'm okay. I'm good. Thank you. 3 beads. All right. Okay, so can you see right there? And then I want to do like a 3 yellow. Smaller. And remember, yellow, you're gonna do a smaller. It looks like you're making a donut. It sounds really funny, but it just worked the best for me. So then and to share with you to make it easy. It's not fancy, but it makes it so easy to work with. All right, so now we are going to pick 2 more beads from green. You can do 3 color, any colors you want. It doesn't have to be these 3 colors. It's happened I just pick it, so I want to share with you. All right, fabulous. And you do not need any alcohol at all. Only alcohol using it. Remember, just using it when you need it to clean your silicone tacky layer off on the silicones. Other than that, you don't need it. If you're using is your alcohol to put it on too much on the 40 gel, it will definitely dissolving your gels because it's too hot. So this is the 3 colors I'm using. I know you can see, but just in case you wonder what the colors is, you can see that I've been using a lot of this. So okay, really simple. So then it doesn't matter, you want to do her in the middle of the nails or right on the close to the top. It's up to you, because we are going to draw her cutie lashes, but I'm going to do is one right in the middle. You know what, I think I'm going to do the other ones opposite though. Oh, hold on, I can use the other nails. Where's that? Ta-da! I'm using on this one, it stand out more. Okay, got it. So pick one beads first and place right in the center of the nails, right in the middle. Pick the second one. Third one. You can make it a little bit curves up. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. And then you can do the yellow right on the top. All right, so let's go in and using the side of your 3D silicone. Why you seeing this one, it's unique and different because we got this unique for Glitz. It works special in designs is for Glitz 4D gel, a perfect size, small enough so then you can able to get so many details out of your 4D gels. Flat, flat, flat. And using the tip of it. I'm too high. And just cut it. Cut right there. Right there. Right there. When you cut it like that, you are going to tweet, pick one side of it, and it tweets the inside. And the others, make it like a sword. It's so easy to, and then just really gentle. You don't need to do it heavy-handed at all. A little twist. Let me move it closer so you can seeing it. Okay. And then I cut on the edges, right? So when you leap it up in one end, like move it back. I mean, tuck it inside. However, you are seeing exactly what I'm explaining. So tuck it inside, and on the others outside, you are going to sew it. So repeat the same thing with this one. Cut it, make it a little cut right there, and you twist it in, and then spread it out. All right, so now if you feel like you want to flash cure, you can really quick flash cure. I'm gonna cure it outside, don't cure it right in here. Flash cure, right? So then that way you will get less chance to mess it up. And then I am going to using the green. You know what? I think I should do is not green, I should do purple. I changed my mind. I'm sorry. They made 3 colors. So I picked 3 colors from a new collection. And I picked 3 colors from my 12 color collection. It doesn't matter. Whatever. I think you can do either purple or pink. So either way. Oh, purple is so rich. I like it. You think I should do the hot pink though? Hold on. I'll get hot pink. So I have so many options. Oh, Vicky, hold on. Vicky. What are you, Vicky? Hello, my bestie.
Hello.
Did you supposed to go live and I go live before you?
It's okay.
Ah.
Go live at where am I? I'm still not. It's like working. I don't know what it's doing.
Oh, you don't know. Look at what I'm doing right now. I'm doing a Nancy corn. All right.
I know. I've been watching you.
Oh, awesome. So thank you so much for being in my life. It was amazing. And how, I don't know, just answer me. How can you handle me like this until today?
It's so difficult.
I know.
Especially when you have Sophia. It's okay. I get you back now. I have Ophelia.
Oh, Ophelia.
Hello, Tracy. Hi, China. Hi, Skyla. Hi, Cece. I made it. I told you. Somebody posted, hey, when's the Glitz family going to go live? I said, I go live at 11:30 because I had to get nails prepped. Hi, Sheila. So got them prepped, figured out kind of what I'm doing. I was going to do acrylic. You did acrylic. So I'm just going to do fusion ink.
No, do acrylic.
No, I've already got polished, prepped.
So is this her crown? I changed it from a green.
Oh, my gosh.
Look at that.
Hi, Shannon. Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Danny.
So I'm going to using the tip of this and then give it a little really soft squeeze, like press. Look like she's her crown.
I'm just going to watch you instead. Hey, Shay. Hi, April.
Yeah.
Hi, Gila. What glitters are you looking for? The 30,000? Where are those at, Nancy?
It is under dramatic glitter, I think. Or is under kit. No, dramatic glitter. Hold on.
Oh, thank you, Skyla. Hi, Arden. Hi, Serenity. Hello, Pandora. Happy birthday, Sharenda.
Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Sharenda, we're going to have to get a Glitz girls like what the singing course. We do nails and we
I'll
sing.
find a stand-in. Hi, Danny.
All right.
We have 2 Dannies.
2 Jenny?
Dannies.
2 Danny. That's awesome. So, I don't know what is called her. It looks like her ears, but it's not. It's just a crown, I think.
It looks like ears. Those are her ears.
No, it's a crown. Right?
Sure.
But
sure.
Look, I got it for you. It's so stunning. All right, flash
I don't
gear.
even know where I'm focused at here.
A flash gear. But looks, because they'll give me inspiration of this. And then today's we did the clients with the unicorn. So
oh my gosh, too cute.
So this is like snowy corn, and this is onyx corn. And this
I'm trying to find mine.
Is a Nancy corn. Look at
Nancy corn.